Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers of America. So the other day, one of my staff members during one of our conference calls asked me, hey Gokul, what would you do if your business was unsellable, right? And that's a great question because almost 80% of our clients that call us on a monthly basis, they have a business that cannot be sold at the moment. And I got to thinking about it, and here are my notes. If it was my business, and I'm like, hey, I want to sell it, but the business is not ready to exit at the moment, here's what I would do. And I would re-engineer this backwards, all right? One is I'll take some time and really understand what my exit number looks like. Do I want $1 million exit? Do I want a $5 million exit? Do I want a $3 million exit? What is my number, right? And then I will take that and reverse engineer that backwards. From there, I will look at it and say, okay, what time frame do I want to exit? Do I want to stay in the business 1 year? Do I mind staying in it another 2 to 3 years? Or even 5-year plan? I had a coaching call with a client that wanted to sell in 7 years and already started preparing for it. So time frame is really important. The third one is I would go get outside help, all right? If it was my business, I would go get a coach. All right, there's a lot of great coaches. We have a bunch of preferred partners, but having a coach and having somebody that keeps you accountable over the next 12 to 24 months is incredibly important. I have a coach personally myself. My staff has a coach. They all have coaches that kind of keep everyone accountable. It has absolutely transformed our business. So those are the 3 things that I would do. And really pay attention to how you run your business. The strategies that you're running your business is really different from the strategies that you would implement if you're trying to sell your business. All right. So those are the 4 things that I will do, right? Know my exit number, know what kind of time frame I have, get a coaching partner or a consultant that would keep me accountable, and understand the strategies that it's going to take. So in a year, 2 years from now, that my business is really appealing to a buyer. As always, I'll be happy to connect with you. You can reach me at www.rbasells.com.